Hello, my name is Lena. I work in the Mega Coin Wealth community. Today I will show you how to register on our website and create your account. This is our website. On the main page you need to click the Register button. Next, you will see the fields you need to fill out. In the first field, you need to enter sponsor's ID or sponsor's username. In the second field, you need to enter your full name, then username, then email and mobile number. After that, you need to make up a password and enter here. And then re-enter password. In the last field, you need to enter CAPTCHA. If the picture is not clear, you can click refresh. After you fill in everything, click register. On your email, you will receive a code that you need to enter in this field. Then click Submit Code. On the next page, you need to enter your address and choose left or right position. Address, country, state, city and PIN code. Then click Submit. That's all. Now you have your own account. Now you are a member of Mega Coin Wealth community.